The Gift of Knowledge. A personal slideshow inspired by the great Muslim American road trip. In the heart of Greater St. Louis stands the IQRA Library, a modern testament to the rich tradition of Islamic scholarship and service. Founded by the Islamic Foundation of Greater St. Louis, which appointed Dr. Noor Ahmed to lead the project, the library has become an educational and cultural hub, not only for Muslims, but for the entire community, reflecting Dr. Ahmed's vision of an inclusive space for learning. The word Iqra, meaning read, is what Muslims believe to be the first word of the Quranic revelation and speaks to Islam's emphasis on seeking knowledge, the library's primary goal. Included are religious texts like Quranic commentaries, biographies of religious figures, and books on Islamic ethics, manners, and practices. But its collection of 10,000 items also includes a broad range of other subjects, from astronomy and archaeology to zoning and zoology, and for all ages. We have books from birth to death, Dr. Ahmed proudly states, emphasizing the library's role in taking the reader on a lifelong journey of learning. This comprehensive approach to education and its accessibility to everyone speaks to the library's overarching mission, which was founded in a time of rising Islamophobia.
The mission is to promote peace by promoting the understanding of Islam, by promoting the understanding of Quran, and eliminating the misconception of Islam and Muslims.
Echoing the legacy of the great historic centers of Islamic learning, the IQRA Library's approach draws a parallel with the Al-Qarawiyyin Library in Fez, the Al-Azhar Library in Cairo, and the Sankore Madrasa in Timbuktu. These institutions were renowned for their pivotal roles during the Islamic Golden Age, a tradition that the IQRA Library proudly continues in its pursuit of knowledge in community service. Service is a lifelong pursuit for Dr. Ahmed. As a longtime plastic surgeon who worked in small towns in the area, he has been recognized for his many contributions, particularly for the patients he served, the health screenings he conducted, and for his collaboration with people of other faiths. The library has organized various programs including Quranic studies, interfaith dialogues, and educational workshops while hosting numerous scholars and thinkers. Reflecting on the journey and the library's impact, Dr. Ahmed shares a poignant sentiment. I built it with my own hands. It became my life's purpose.
They said about the library is the best gift of man to mankind. Think about it. Is the best gift of man to mankind is all that knowledge, all that information, all that power.
This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Hayder and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.